Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F7 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then let's tap on the fingerprint unlock, and if you do not have a regular screen lock, you will have to add it right now, just like I have to. So let me quickly choose the pattern and let me quickly set it, so we will be able to finally add the fingerprint. Let's tap on confirm. Okay, so here we've got the information that if you've got the screen protector, it might affect the fingerprint sensor, which is under the screen, so be aware about that. So now let me put my finger on the sensor, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. As you can see, it's quite sensitive because it really catches when I am duplicating the area. So let's tap on done, and here we've got the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it and add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So lock screen, for example, shortcuts, fingerprint payments, up to you totally, and fingerprint recognition. So basically we can change the look of the fingerprint scanner and the effects which are connected with that simply by tapping on the specific effect. And here we can decide whether we want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. So now all we have to do is to actually lock the device and check if it is working. So we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.